AutoFix Buddy has announced a new update to its quick and easy-to-use auto repair shop directory platform. Anyone can use the platform to compare and contrast auto repair service providers near them. AutoFix Buddy allows you to compare prices as well as book repairs, helping to save money and get vehicles fixed at a more affordable rate. The website is an established auto repair comparison site. The company helps you avoid overpriced auto repairs in the local area. The website enables you to enter any location and select the vehicle manufacturer to search for nearby mechanics and repair shops. In addition to searching the local area and specific manufacturers, AutoFix Buddy has a section where you can select specific repairs. Click on the link in the description for more info.